Hi, vlog! Kasama na kayo lahat sa vlog. Say hi, Brian. Ayaw mo pakita.
Hi, vlog!
But we're not getting out of the car yet because there's still. Why was my hand not stable? Okay. We're not getting out of the car yet because I don't really know. Why are we not out of the car? My sister is already inside the hotel. Nauna sila kasi, like, you know, we had to, like, go last because there's so many things that we had to bring. So, not so many, but, like, a few things. And oh my God, we're here! I'm gonna go. Can we go down already? Can I go down here from this side?
Go down.
Okay, bye-bye.
Go up, go down. Go round and round.
Alma!
Wow! Fit check. Show me our room. Oh, be careful. No, it's here. 65 here. This is 65. Go there. You knock on 65. Wow. Slower. Don't run. You knock. Oh. Wait. Oh, nice place. There's. Wow. Okay, let's open this place. I don't know. How do you open this? Wait, it's not focusing. Mag-focus ka. Wow. It's still sunny outside, pero okay na mag-swimming. Ooh, what's that? Is it a... Look, parang yung pond na pinuntahan natin before.
Ay, wait. Welcome to me.
Oh,
Uy, yung kapay! Angelica! Come here! I'm in the bathroom because you guys know I always check the bathroom in everywhere I go. Like this hotel, every hotel, resorts, whatever. So let's go check this. Okay, so when you enter. Okay, when you enter like this, there's like a closing.
Wait, I'm gonna wash my feet there.
And then look at the. Ooh, it's fancy, bro. Kidding. Fit check. I like this top, like partnered with this, and then it has a cute little, like, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a slit. As if meron pang araw, pero wala na. Got my hair done, tapos my skirt and my top. Tita, say hi sa vlog.
Vlog.
Let's go. Oo. Wala nang araw. Hindi na enjoyable. Hanapin natin sila. Asan sila? Saan yung entrance nila? Wala nang araw. Can't find it. Wow, the pool looks good. I look weird with my hair. Okay, I'm looking for my sister. We had to go sa so that they can check our list. We're good to go. crusty. But we're swimming. Uh, oh my god. Why is the lighting so yellow? Anyways, I'm in my PJs. I'm doing my skincare. Everyone is here, so hope you can hear us.
Naligo na ako. Ako pa ako nang naligo. Niluluto pa ako nung naliligo ako.
Ay, palagyan na lang sa video.
Bebe, kalma.
There you go. There! It's finally done. I'll brush my teeth later because we're planning to eat and then karaoke, movie, whatever. I'll put all of them. They're noisy. The camera, the lighting is so yellow. I'm so sorry. I'm sleepy. But I will eat back. We already had dinner, but of course, I got hungry. I think we went here, like we arrived here mga ano na, siguro mga 5 something. Tapos like wait, oh my god. And then we went swimming around, I'd say like almost 6 that time. 6 something. Swimming kami. And then we just finished right now. It's like we finished like around 8 something. So that's a lot of swimming we did. Like I don't have much like clips from the pool because I just wanted to enjoy. And also, hindi waterproof yung phone ko, guys. Hindi siya waterproof, so I don't think I could get so much clips. But tomorrow I'll try to get clips before jumping. So yeah, the pool. I don't have my Q-tips. I usually use Q-tips to like use my Vaseline with my lips. Pero yeah, my lips got dry so much nung nag-pool kami. So the ugliest thing happened to me today. My nails are chipped off. Like it was so pretty when we were here. It's like mermaidy color, whatever that is. But yes, we're just gonna chill in our bed until we had spaghetti. Yeah. I have like a little chair over here. I forgot to bring conditioner, which is the bad thing.
My hair smells like chlorine.
Can I send the pictures onto Instagram? We're gonna ano pa. We're gonna take millions and dozens of photos tomorrow. See you guys later. There's no light. I have to adjust it. Good morning. go get my clothes. Good morning, guys. I'm in the bathroom currently since it's like 6:20 something. And the thing is that the pool is opening around 7 and we're gonna go for a morning swim before going home around, I think, my back is scratchy before I think 10 a.m. I don't know, I suppose, but I'll get changed. Okay. I'm wearing the same swimsuit thing as yesterday since I actually just need one swimsuit since I think it's not even a swimsuit. I think it's a swimsuit, but what do I properly call it? I can't speak. Okay. Hello, vlog. Let's go dito tayo sa balcony. Hi guys. I am drinking Milo with coffee. Side eye. Oh my god. I'm vlogging around everywhere. Oh, lovely people. Let us do my skincare. For heading down sa pool, since matagal pa yung time, I'll be doing my skincare. No, I'm gonna use
No,
that.
just right down.
Oh, yeah, okay. Good morning, I guess. Just popped out of nowhere. Let's do it. Hello guys, so let's do a quick makeup guarantee. Kasi you guys know naman, I did my skincare now, morning skincare, lotion, not lotion, sunscreen and everything. So I'm just gonna go and touch up because we're gonna have lunch then and breakfast later sa baba. I don't know if we're gonna have it later sa baba or we're gonna get it delivered here sa room. Although we're gonna go down later around 7 something so that we can swim and then we're gonna eat breakfast and lunch. I don't know if we're gonna eat lunch here or we're gonna eat out pala. And then just check out around 12 or 11, something like that. But it's currently somewhere 6. Really early. This powder really has sunscreen, so I have to use this so that, I mean, wash away din naman, pero whatever. There. I don't need so much stuff to do because so much stuff. I don't have so much. Girl. I'm sorry if this vlog it will be a little bit unorganized and like so many details and so many random clips. It's really hard to film like this on a vacation, especially with my family being always so, really loud because we had to stay in one room now. Because it was a big white ass room. What?
Mapapainin na ako
I know you eat it.
Bigyan na ako sila.
Okay, so my Lola went inside. Anyways, I'm gonna go and curl my lashes. I won't be using mascara since I don't want to look like a dead rabbit. Kasi magsusumbong siya ganyan. But I will be curling my lashes because I can't live without curling my lashes anymore. Ever since I found out that it looks cool, it looks cute because like with your lashes and everything. It's just lippy. This is from Perry Para. This is my favorite lippy actually. I'm running out of it. I don't know. This is in the shade 03, and I love this shade. I love it so much, and it looks so cool. Like it's really juicy, and it stays on your lips, like good state. So that's it for our little makeup. These are the things that I've used. I didn't even use anything else for you guys, just this. Let's go! Sa playground. Hi guys! Hi guys! Hey! Okay, we're gonna explore the playground together. My sister is sliding everywhere. Gianna, magsiso tayo! Here ba?
Yeah.
This one na lang. Oh my god, it's wet pero.
Next time we're gonna get wet. It's like
Wait.
6:50 plus.
Ah! Bilis, upo ka. Okay, go.
Go down. We're not. Wait, this is so cool.
Girl! Pa-picture, Gianna. Ah! I love vacation vlogs.
You just gotta go.
Oh, it's spinning! Brian, let's go! Ah! Why is it spinning? Okay, here. I'll sit here.
Okay, hold. Oh my god.
No, you sit down din.
We're spinning.
Sit down ka din dyan sa other side. Hindi, para balance. Sama ka, dali.
Ay, paano tayo ikot?
Sa gitna dyan ka, sa gitna. Wow, ikot tayo.
Wow, ganda lang yung ikot ng ikot.
Dito, Rika.
Ay, dito.
Sorry,
Ito,
Ah,
like you spend this.
Ikot.
Huwag ka nang maayos na dyan.
Yeah, dito.
Okay, now we're balanced.
We're
Wow.
balanced. Dito,
Dito,
malakas ah.
Ay!
Ano pag nahurag tayo dito eh? Nakakahilo. Dapat sinama si Janek dito, hilo siya.
Ginawa namin yun, nahilo siya.
Slap ko na nahilo.
Oh my god, you were spinning in circles.
Tama na! Okay na! Okay na to! Okay na! Nahihilo ako!
Nahihilo ka doon?
We spin in circles. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi! I'm sleeping. Let's go down. Opo. Hawakan. Wag! Wag! Ay, baka mahulog ako! Wag na!
Okay, now let's go start!
Wait, nahihilo ko.
Pigit mo ate. Pigit mo mata mo. Pigit mo mata mo. Pigit mo mata mo. Pigit mo lang mata mo. Relax. Relax mo lang yung ulo mo. Tapos tingga gilid. Ganyan na yan ka.
Okay. We're gonna swim.
Ha?
Thank you.
We're gonna go swimming! I look crusty. Anyways,
Okay, ate.
thank you. Food is food is here.
Clap. Drink mo.
I got
Busog ko lang ito. Sorry yung vlog ah. Sorry sa vlog.
Yung cellphone yan, basa na.
Mine.
hopefully my phone is
Nasa
not
ilalim.
wet.
Basa ng cell adun.
There's so many sibuyas. I love it.
Kala ko yung toothpicks na rin. Parang ganun sa...
I don't think I'm going back sa
Meron pa yung
pool.
chicken nugget.
Zero yung... Ano ko?
Gambit. Anong kakainin mo?
Oh, meron pa.
Ang sakit ng tiyan ko.
Zero yung...
Ano gusto ko ng kanin? Kanin? No. Yan.
Pinili ko dyan.
Ubaw sila. Nakasakay na ba sila kaagad, Je?
Show pa siya.
Show pash.
Dumadaan tayo, bigla-bigla.
Pakita.
Kasama ka sa vlog.
Hello. Ate.
There's so many beach. Oh, wait. Life update. We're still like on the way home. We stopped by like this cake shop to grab some cake for food later. And we're waiting for mom. We're like on the other side. Like we're stuck here sa car, so whatever. I woke up then pala. Like nakaalis na kami dun sa like I don't really know the details because I just woke up and we're here now, almost home. So yeah. Why is it not stopping?